Green means go! Full Seabird fan, Eevee, and Eli the Cat fan, back again with day 2 of my the Paw Patrol Sneeze compilation. And of course, I haven't uploaded part day 2 and day 3 yet because I accidentally deleted my account by accident. I don't know why I did that. Not going to make a long intro, but let's go, go, go!
Need you to take care of the sniffly pups. I'll see if Katie can come by and help.
Sky!
I need you to use your goggles and copter to help find the missing pigs.
This part's gonna...
Oh no, Sky, you too?
I had to stay here, huh? But your little smell's turning me into a big sneezer. I'll take a swipe. You know, for that size. Paw Patrol, ready for action, Rider, sir.
Please don't pick me.
This is on the... Excuse me. On it. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
You. Woo! Wow. Oh, do we have to be you? Who needs a drink? You sniffing pups. We're getting close.
Oops. Sorry.
Sky?
Gesundheit.
Excuse me. Zuma!
I need you and your buoy. If Farmer Owl's pigs end up in the creek, we'll need you to bring them to shore.
I'm ready to say Zuma's got a cold too. If I'm ill, I better chill. I'm a little allergic to feathers. Uh-oh. Huh? Now let's see if we can find out what's wrong. Excuse me, another one? But wait, that was way closer to the danger zone. What if I sneeze and scare her? Uh-oh. That tickles my nose. Chase. Cut! Sorry, Zuma's tail tickled my nose. Yeehaw! All right, that was good going, Vincent. So I'll make a day for you next. And I think day 3 is going to be, oh, would you look at the time? See you on day 3, which is going to be Leaf Yawn. Don't lose it, reuse it. I'm fired up.